The Fox and the Hen by Jacky.
Jacky who?
Ashton.
Hey. One day, when Hen was waddling in the
When
woods.
a hen!
Okay. One day, a hen was waddling in the woods when she heard a bark. Then she waddled a bit more until she met a fox. First she was afraid, but the fox spoke to her and said he would do her no harm. Then he led her to his den. There she met a young teenage female fox. The fox said, "This is my mate. She'll do you no harm. She's 19 and she's pregnant with 5 cubs." "Hello," said the vixen. "This is my friend, the hedgehog, the woodpecker, the mole, the badger, and owl." Dr. Hedgehog said Vixen will give birth tomorrow to 5 cubs. She wants to call them Freds, Maya, Charlotte, Tom, and last but not least, Harry.
Do you like my frog? That's way better than yours.
Oh yeah, it's a good frog. I didn't see the frog. And a snake.
Yeah, I'm really good at it.
Tell me what all the animals are then.
Hedgehog, weasel, shrew, adder, frog,
Stork?
no, it's not stork, it's,
Not woodpecker?
no, it's quite big, isn't it?
Well, I'll come back to it.
Woodpecker. I know that's a pheasant.
Oh, yeah.
Pheasant. Pheasant, that's Mrs. Pheasant.
Oh, yeah.
Female pheasant, badger, mole, owl, squirrel, woodpecker,
Very good. Who's that?
Mr. and Mr. Rabbit, Dr.
Who's that?
Hedgehog
Who's
and
that with a
Fox's
super long
wife.
tail? Super long foxy tail. Okay, chapter 2. Down in Vixen's den, she started to give birth. Fox rang up Dr. Hedgehog. Dr. Hedgehog immediately came. Tell us what's happening in the picture there.
She's got all our cubs. And Fox is ringing up Dr. Hedgie.
Fox, all the cubs, they're all waiting.
There's 5 of them.
Have they all been born already? Yeah.
They've all been born
That's
already.
them all born. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 foxy cubs.
Fox cubs.
Nearby in the woods, a wolf called Killer was hunting for prey. Who's that?
Fox. Hen.
Is that Killer?
Killer
in his den.
Killer stinks of poo. Get lost, Killer.
One day, Vixen woke up and she saw that 3 of her cubs had disappeared. Fox immediately went to Killer's den. Has he got a horse and cart there?
Yeah.
Fox began to fight and bit Killer. So those Killer's cubs there.
That's Killer's wife.
Oh, yeah.
Those are his cubs. Because they're red.
Chapter 4. Vixen gets her cubs back.
Revenge!
Killer was stronger than Fox and scared him away. Fox hid in the trees. Then the magic chicken came and the wolves chased it, thinking they could easily catch her. But then she flew up to the moon and made loud chicken squawking noises. Meanwhile, Fox crept in and took back his cubs. So there we go, there's magic chicken on the moon.
Now to get on there!
And those are the wolves trying to capture.
Can you do it at me?
Here's the writer and the artist. Chapter 4.
Mr.
No, that's right. After the rescue, Fox was very grateful and said to Chicken, "How can I ever repay you?" So Magic Chicken looked down from the moon at Fox and said, "Build me a house inside a tall oak tree."
It's like that tall oak tree.
That tall oak tree. Meanwhile, Fox was listening to Killer planning his revenge from behind a bush.
Fox got all the error.
Oop, I think we missed a page. Chapter 5. Killer was angry with Magic Chicken for stealing his foxy dinner. He wanted to find the secret of Magic Chicken's magic. The magic she used to trick me could be all mine, and then I could use it to rule over all the animals.
I'm doing that question.
And eat them whenever I care to.
How was the cut, dearie?
Is that Killer's wife asking?
Save the cut.
How's the cut, dearie?
Dearie Perry.
Who's these? Who are these?
Can you not say?
Just tell me, so the people know.
It's obviously Fox and his wife.
Yeah.
Look, she's watching a TV, program of a person on the TV.
What's that?
There's 2 cubs.
Meanwhile, Fox was listening to Killer, planning his revenge from behind a bush. And then Caroline's writing, Fox got all the other foxes and bears to help get Killer. The animals went to Killer's den. So who will tell me who all the animals are? Who's that?
Little bear, mummy bear, brother bear, teenager bear, big grumpy teenager bear, and daddy bear.
And that's Killer, the fox.
Fox!
Fox, I know it's Fox. I know it is. I knew it was.
It's red.
And it started to attack. So that's Killer there, is it? That one?
Yeah.
Fox, bear, fox.
Look.
Oh, it looks like someone's biting his tail and someone's attacking his head. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness, what a fight. Okay. Finally, Killer was dead. One of the bears bit his neck and he died. So that's dead Killer.
Yeah, look.
Oh, Killer, but I suppose he deserved it.
Yes.
And there's all the animals celebrating and happy. So who have we got here?
The woodpeckers and
The
the sparrows.
Squirrels, Mr. and Mrs.
And the
Squirrel.
sparrows. And fox. And swallow song.
Mr. and Mrs. Foxy.
Mrs. and Mr. O.
Mr. and Mrs. Owl.
And the nightingale.
Lovely nightingale.
And the deer.
And the deer.
And the snakes kissing. And the weasels. And the weasels. No, they're weasels. They're mice. And the mice and the shrews.
Shrews.
They're the mice. They're the shrews. And then they must be the wolves. Yeah, they're the wolves.
And weasels.
And
Badgers.
and the badgers. And the rabbits. And the happy hogs. You know.
That's a lovely picture. It's a very happy picture. Chapter 6. When Killer's wife, she's called Kill, came back from shopping, she dropped the shopping bags and got her sons together and ran away and never came back. Look, she's really sad, isn't she? Her husband's died, even though he was a baddie. She still
it's
loved him,
lies.
isn't she? Oh my goodness. That's gruesome. So there they are. There's
All the cubs.
Kill and her cubs running
So
away.
she's got 3 cubs.
Never to come back.
She's only got 3 cubs. And then that's her.
Maybe the next story she could come back, or one of Killer's sons grows up and wants to come back and get his revenge, and it'll have to be a new story. Do you think?
Yeah.
Maybe. And then I wonder, maybe Magic Chicken
They
might be
point
in.
out that.
Magic Chicken might be in the next story. Who's that then? What's that?
Because
That's his den in the distance, is
Yeah.
it?
And then here's the grave. No, and then...
That's Killer's grave?
Yeah, that's Killer's grave. And then that's the cross. You said the cross, so we know it's a
gravestone.
Grave.
Oh, they don't look very happy. They look quite sad, don't they?
They look quite like... I don't want to come back again.
Yeah. Then the snow came, and the animals went to bed.
Look, we're all hibernating. The bears. Look.
Who's that?
Okay, just a kid. Just a kid in a snowman. Look, that's foxes. Dad, in spring, in autumn, I saw the foxes. So I saw the foxes all the foxes' dens are covered with leaves to keep them really warm.
Maybe.
Yeah, they are. I saw it. Look, curled up. The shrews. Badger!
Well, badger.
Badgers are quite nice.
The end, and there's all the animals.
Hooray!
Is that spring again, or is it just a picture of all the animals
It's
together?
just all the animals.
Are they all standing on each other's shoulders,
Yeah.
like in a massive heap?
Hedgehogs are
Hedgehogs at the
holding them
bottom.
down.
Oh, yeah.
So they don't fall over.
Let me see this one a bit closely. Some magic chickens at the top, of course.
Yeah, on Fox.
Fox.
And then Fox's wife.
Ooh, careful.
And then Fox's all his kids, I couldn't fit them on. Oh, look at the snakes.
Amazing picture. Oh, yeah.
No, I know one of them, Ada, and her husband, they were like all attacking the rats. And then Ada clung down from a branch, and one of the rats ran into her mouth. And she swallowed them.
Is that in the Garden Wood stories, or was that
Yeah.
your story? Okay, well that was called The Fox and the Hen. Jacky, done your last two.
I never looked at it now.
Say goodbye.
Goodbye.